Today's video, I'm going to share with you the health benefit of drinking rosemary tea. Rosemary tea is known for its various health benefits. Here are 5 notable ones. Rosemary tea improves digestive system and can help the relief of indigestion and bloatedness. So, due to its anti-inflammatory and its anti-osmotic properties, a lot of people use it for like bloatedness and to relieve gastric, intestinal pain. Also, rosemary tea help to enhance memories and help you to focus. So number 3, rosemary have an anti-inflammatory properties and antioxidant properties. It also contains rosmaric acid and carnosic acid, which help protect cell from damage and reduce inflammation. So on this side, I have some water on. So I will have about a cup and a half of water. And number 4, rosemary. So rosemary tea helps to reduce stress and also anxiety. And as gone to some studies and research, it may also improve vision and eye health. So here I have about a cup and a half of water, and I'm going to bring it to a boil. And once it starts to boil, I'll add the rosemary to it and let it steep. Rosemary tea also is good for treating bacterial infection and also good for treating and reducing water retention in your body. Rosemary tea is also good for fighting mental fatigue and also to promote liver health. So it's very healthy. Here I have some natural honey, which I put in the cup. So rosemary tea can also help to regulate diabetes and also to treat infection and blood circulation. But this is one of the reasons that you should put rosemary tea in your diet. So with the water now, what I'm doing here now, I'm adding the rosemary, and it's fresh rosemary to the water. It's about a cup and a half of water in this, and I'm going to let it boil for about 2 to 3 minutes. And then I'm going to cover it with a lid or a plate, whatever you have. So once the water turn color, just give it a bit of stir and just be patient with it. As you can see, the consistency of the tea now, when it's boiled, it's turning color, and you will smell the lovely aroma coming from it also. So now I'm going to turn the gas off, and then I'm going to get ready to cover that with a lid, and then I'm going to pour it over the honey. And the reason why I pour it over the honey is just because it's melt the honey and it dissolve faster. So give it a bit of stir. Give it a bit of stir, and feel free. Adding the honey to it, it's personal preference. You don't have to put it in it. If you want, you can use maple syrup. So it's just a personal preference, because I like a little bit of honey, because honey is like liquid gold. So it's something you need to add to your diet if you can manage it. So I'm just adding a little bit of rosemary to the tea. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching. If this video of any help to you guys, please do consider to like, share, subscribe. Do leave positive comment. I see you in another video.